هذه هو الإصدار الأولى من deeplearning.ai راك. هو بالتعاون مع deeplearning.ai، وأكيد أغلبكم يعني إما حاضر كورسات لهم أو يعرفهم أو سبسكرايب بالذا باتش ويكلي AI جورنال. وهالنسخة هذه إن شاء الله حنتكلم بها عن الترانسفورمر نتورك، وحنغطيها بتفاصيلها مع إنه نطبقها برمجيا مع استخدامها في الكمبيوتر فيجن والناتشورال لانجويج بروسيسنج. قبل لا okay, so there is English speaker. Okay, I will continue English. So before that we present, I want to share with you a welcome message from Andrew Ang from deeplearning.ai that's welcoming to you as a community in the Buy an AI events. And let me just start sharing my screen. Don't think there is sound to you. Just let me.
Okay, make sure you get a sound.
So I guess now the sound will work too.
And I'm excited to welcome you to our global deep learning community. I know that many of you are here today because you want to break into AI and build your career. I hope that being part of this community will help you to do so. To give you a proper welcome, I'd like to show you around the deeplearning.ai offices and meet some of the teams so that you can see where it all happens.
Oh, hi, Andrew.
Do you want to tell our friends at Pine AI what you do at deeplearning.ai?
Sure. Hi, everyone. I make articles and other media that help people learn about AI and help them understand the huge impact that AI is having in the world. Today, I'm putting together the next issue of The Batch, our weekly newsletter, and I'm looking for the biggest stories of the week to keep our readers informed.
What's been the most surprising thing you've run into working on The Batch?
How much is going on in this field? There's never a dull moment. You might think from the outside that machine learning engineers really understand everything about AI, but nobody understands everything about AI because this field is just coming to life right before my eyes as I put this thing together every week.
All right, I know you're really busy, so I'll let you get back to it.
Thanks. See you later.
Let's go meet Kian, who helped me create the deep learning specialization. He's working on an exciting new project. Hey, Kian. So do you want to tell the people at Pine AI what you're working on?
Yes, sure. I'm leading a project called Workera, focusing on helping people get offers in AI and navigating their career by testing their skills, preparing for interviews and certifying them, as well as matching and referring them to good jobs in AI.
That's really cool. And what's the most exciting part of your day?
You know, the AI field is new, organizations and jobs are still misunderstood, so I'm excited to help people understand what different types of jobs exist in the field, what tasks they will work on, and what skills are needed to achieve those tasks.
And that's really important work. Well, it's nice chatting, and now let's go chat to Hotel, who is on their product team.
Hey, Andrew.
Do you want to say hi to our friends at Pine AI and let them know what you're working on?
I would love to. Hi, everyone. I lead the product team in deeplearning.ai, where we create AI education content accessible to people all around the world. People like you.
And what are you most excited about right now?
I am so excited to see our community grow and to see how eager people are to learn more about AI.
Thanks, also.
Thanks, Andrew.
So as you can see, our team is working hard to support you and help you learn. It's never been easier than before to break into AI. So if you want to build a career, you can leverage online resources available, including open source code, datasets, papers, and online courses like a deep learning specialization on Coursera. As part of this journey, I hope you get your hands dirty too. Don't be afraid of diving in to build your own project, or go ahead and try to replicate a research paper that you're excited about. One thing that I've seen help a lot of people succeed is if you can build a community or find a community of fellow deep learners you can meet with and study with on a regular basis. In fact, I hope that this Pine AI meetup that you're at right now will be a good place for you to meet these people. I hope you enjoyed the event today and that you learn a lot both from the talks and from each other. And once again, welcome to the deeplearning.ai community.
Okay, after this nice opening, I just going to start my presentation. I will send you the link.
Ma'mun, just hold
Yes.
on. Let's welcome Dr. Bashar al-Isawi here. شكرا لك دكتور على دعمك وحضورك أيضا. شكرا لكل الحاضرين. طبعا هذه بداية يعني صديقي وزميلي المأمون في بداية الباي ان اي اي artificial intelligence. اليوم هو سفير يعني في اكثر من جانب، لكاجل، لاي ام باي، ديب ليرنينج. هذه كلها كوميونتي قاعد تنبني للجانب العربي، للجانب العراقي على الاخص. يعني اليوم بدنا نحاول نستخدم قدراتنا، امكانياتنا العلميه، امكانيات مأمونة على الاخص، ان احنا نستفيد من هذه تواصلنا مع مثل ما نقول الناس اللي برا موجوده، نجيب هذه المعلومات وهذه الكوميونتي نبنيها حتى الفائده لكم من ناحيه الريسيرشرز والناس اللي قاعد تستفيد من ناحيه التطور العملي. الاي اي المستقبل. هواي مواضيع موجوده اليوم قاعد تتطور عندي. انا عن نفسي عمار حنون، اكثركم يعني تعرفوني او اللي يتابعيني او اللي اول مره يسمع صوتي. يعني اليوم احنا واحده من اعمال، يعني معظم شغلي كلاود. من ضمن الكلاود اليوم انا صار عندي شيفتنج قوي للاي اي، ونستخدم سايبر سيكيورتي باستخدام الاي اي. هواي مواضيع اليوم صار بها تداخل، هو المستقبل. حتى لو انت مو موجود عندك في العراق اليوم اصبح شيء ضروري تتعلم عليه. يعني احنا التكنولوجي قاعد تتحرك بشكل سريع جدا، وان شاء الله احنا نكون وياكم على تواصل بكوميونتي كبيره واحداث موجوده إن والكم تستفيدون من عندها. تفضل مأمون، المايك لك واحنا مستمعين نتعلم منك.
Thank you. So firstly, I